the desert rain frog. By day, this amphibian hides deep in the sand, but when the conditions are just right, he emerges to feed. Trudging up to 45 meters, he calmly noses around for insects, while a Namakwa dwarf adder primes itself for ambush. But this tiny snake can only strike prey closer than 10 centimeters. A Parabuthus scorpion uses hair-like feelers to detect the tiniest movement, and frogs are also on his menu. The frog mustn't stir, or he'll trigger a deadly attack from that stinging tail. But waiting's what he's good at. At last, a colony of termites busily harvesting dune grass. They're packed with protein and fat. He'll force down up to 100 in a sitting. But lingering can be dangerous. It's just a harmless golden mole snaffling his share of the termites.